Weather patterns beginning to show some sign of change. One thing that's been missing from the weather across the northern plains, upper Midwest so far this early winter season has been Arctic air. We just haven't had it yet. There are signs we may be able to get some of that coming into early December. There also will be some snow potential. Northern plains, upper Midwest, probably not the entire area, but I do see potential for at least a significant storm sometime coming up here during the next 2 weeks. We're also continuing to see stormy weather in the form of rain and higher elevation snow out of the Pacific Northwest. Important news for the fire danger area in the west in California. But in the immediate present, we're still looking pretty mild. Frigid air is beginning to show up on the map, but it is way up north. Alaska has had a very cold month of November, and that isn't about to change. Colder weather right now, dropping down into the Great Lakes states. We're getting some days this week that'll be a little bit below freezing. That's what the dark blue indicates, but a lot of it, this is not that cold. And with this ridging of high pressure in the west, really, except for the fact that a lot of this is mountainous, there's going to be some pretty warm temperatures coming up into the high plains and up the west coast as well. Now, as we continue to go through the week, we're starting to see a flattening out of this weather pattern, and that's going to allow some colder weather to begin to drop down, especially as we get toward the weekend. Should be getting fairly cold. More significantly, this really significantly cold air is not that far away and ready to make inroads. So as we get into that first full week of December, I am expecting some sub-zero weather, or at least near zero weather, to drop down for the first time this year into the lower 48. And with the low pressure trough beginning to become carved out in the southwestern part of the country, somewhere in all of this, there is likely to be a lifting out of a low pressure system, and somewhere probably a chance for the first really significant snow. But it is not going to be this week. Fairly dry weather in the southwest will continue the onslaught of rain and mountain snow in the Pacific Northwest, mostly pretty far north, down to about Washington and Oregon. There may be some significant snows in the northeastern states and sections of central Canada, and an area of rain and thunder showers coming up out of Texas toward the northeastern states. But it's the second week that is looking a little more interesting. Now, this may not be exactly like this, but I am expecting a chance of a snowstorm to come out of the Rockies, shoot out across the northern plains and into the Great Lakes. It may be a little further south or a little further north. Right now, it's hard to say in advance if it'll be a big monster storm or just a little significant snow, but it does look like we may see during that second week of December the start of permanent snow cover in some parts.